Welcome. Thanks for coming to see the new features of the Fusion Edge. I'm really excited to be showing you the features. These are features we've been asking for a long time from Epilog, and frankly features you've been asking for as well. So I'm excited to be able to share them with you. My name is Robert Link. I'm the New York State assistant to the regional, I'm the New York State account manager for Keystone Prototyping Solutions. I'm here to introduce the Fusion Edge. The Fusion Edge was engineered and developed based on the Fusion Pro technology. The Fusion Pro technology was cutting edge. Now we've developed it into a size that's a little more compact and portable. This machine was developed to replace the aging but still capable Legend Mini 18 and Mini 24 series from Epilog. This machine is completely engineered, designed, engineered, and manufactured in the United States in Golden, Colorado, and it's supported, sold and supported locally by technicians based throughout the states that we serve. The Fusion comes in two models. The two models for the Edge series are the Fusion Edge 12 is a 24 by 12 work area with a 7-inch depth, and the Fusion Edge 24. It's a 24 by 24 work area with a 10-inch depth. Both machines can utilize the rotary. Both machines are offering 30 to 80 watt CO2. Today we're demoing a 60 watt CO2 laser. CO2 lasers are great for marking and cutting wood, plastic, leather, leatherette. It can also mark glass or coated aluminum. The Fusion Edge 12 will also be offered in a 30 watt fiber. Fibers are great for industrial applications. They can directly mark metals without a coating. As you can see in the top picture, that's a deep engrave. That's a low speed, high power, multiple passes. On the lower left, that's a machine part that's done on the fiber. Lots of machine parts have to have a unique part identifier on them, and now with the Iris camera you can place the part in there and position that number right over the part. The part on the lower left is done actually three styles. It's an etch, which is a mark that you can feel. It's a polish, which highly polishes that stainless, and then it has an anneal, which changes the color from stainless to dark. My favorite feature, what I'm most excited to talk to you guys about, is the Iris positioning camera. This Iris positioning camera allows me to place artwork onto my workpiece without having to use an aid of a measuring tool like a ruler to find the position on that work surface. Now I can do it directly in the software and then submit to the machine that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we send a job. So in this case, I'm just going to customize this ornament, which I've already printed. I pre-printed it with just the text of two people's names. I just send it down with the print dialog. It's actually going to open up that machine, the work piece I have in there, and my artwork. What I do is I simply drag the artwork over the piece that I want to cut. I'm going to make sure I get it placed right so the cut's proper. I'm going to download my material settings. So this is a new feature for the Fusion Edge. It actually has a materials library built into the dashboard, so I don't have to slide power anymore. Once I have those settings in the applied to the job actually gives me an estimate of how long it's going to take, and I can simply print. So it sends the job down to the printer. I click the job I want to print, and I push start. The machine comes over and it's going to start that job. It's very fast. You can see from the video how fast it's moving. The runtime on this job is 53 seconds. The machine moves at 120 inches per second. Previous generations of machines, current machines on the market, and the machines this one replaced had a top speed of around 80 inches per second. It also has 5G acceleration, which is truly remarkable acceleration in this industry. No one ever thought we can get 5G. It's 5G huge, so we're real excited about that. This job is almost finished. As soon as it's done, I'm going to pull this job out. While we're waiting for it to finish, this machine also has a 7-inch touchscreen. 7-inch touchscreen is great for usability, improved user interface. We have no more soft keys or small display. Now that the part's done, I can pull it out and show it to you. So this is a real nice part. There's some great detail in there. It's engraved at 500 DPI. There's a lot of detail on there, and it's a 1/4 inch cut, and that's laminated cherry plywood, so it's not an easy cut. The machine also has a gigabyte of onboard storage. What that allows me to do is save a job file to the laser cutter itself, so I don't have to open up a computer. I can go right to the laser cutter and get the job done. This machine is also Wi-Fi enabled. Previously, you had to stay connected to a machine with a cable. This machine, you connect right across your Wi-Fi network. It's nice and handy, and first time in this class of machine that this type of technology has worked. Some of the other features on this machine, it's completely redesigned. Like I said earlier, it's based on the Fusion Pro platform in a smaller package. It uses that same print carriage, which is on the Fusion Pro, it does on the Fusion Edge. This is now a sealed unit with an air tube that's going to blow air into there and keep debris off your lenses and optics. It's fully shielded on both sides and the X-rail, keeping it nice and clean, a lot less maintenance. I'm going to talk about the Job Manager software. This software, again, was developed initially for the Fusion Edge Pro, now brought down to the Fusion Edge. The way it works, when you submit a job, it heads over to the dashboard. From here, you can either print right down to the machine, or you can send this to a job manager for print, storage and printing later. So the job manager is going to list all the machines that you have in your shop. This is one that we have over in Grand Island. There's one that we have down here in Tarentum. This is the one we're running here in Lancaster. It lists all the jobs that have been submitted to that, and if you want to submit off of this job manager, you simply click one of these jobs, it opens back up in the dashboard, and you can go ahead and do a quick print on it. This machine also has the ability to run a rim drive rotary. The way the rim drive rotary works is it sits right down in the machine. In this case, I'm just going to set it up on top. You position your part. The laser is going to come across at the top of this bottle and engrave as the rotary rotates it around. For weird shaped or abnormal sized objects, it has an elevator in the back that's going to bring it up parallel to that bar, so you can engrave in just one place. In fact, this bottle here was sent to us by our friends at Black Button Distillery. They wanted to be able to do point of sale promotions. In this case, it's Happy Holidays from our family to yours was printed on here. So we're real happy to be working with them on this application, and look forward to getting them their laser soon. With that said, I was real happy to share with you the features of the Fusion Edge. I hope you found it useful and you picked up some information. Thanks.